Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I'm going to compare Shopify normal setup process with Shopify Sidekick. Both help you set up Shopify store, but the experience will very different. So let's see which one is actually easier for beginners. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Here I have two pages. So one with normal setup and one with using Sidekick. So let's see. Normally when setting up Shopify store, you manually go through different section one by one. Like I am going here on products, then click on products. Here already have products. Here I add product manually. Like I giving the wallet. Now I have to give description by my own. Now I have to add image. So upload it from our desktop. Okay. Now it has been uploaded. Oh, it is person. Yeah. Now we can set the price. Like manually I had to set. Give the quantity. Okay, now we can set the variants like size, color, etc. Also here in SEO, I have to give the page title my own and description. So that's it. Click on save. Now I give description, title and all, but it is not better. So this is the normal setup. So now we can see how we can add the product using Sidekick. We can ask to generate a product named letter wallet with price 20. Also give description and SEO for more attract. Here I give the content to the Sidekick. So now it is processing. Let's see what it will give. So here we can see it is automatically added. So it is much easier than the normal setup. So it will give the best description, best title, and also SEO also automatically added. That's it. We have to upload the image manually only. So okay, image has been uploaded. Then click on save. So now we can see it is very fast by using Sidekick. So next we can customize our theme like a normal setup. So click on online store. Then here click on edit theme. So here we can see our store. So for editing, I figure out what to give, what logo I have to change, background image, what to change. All I have to figure out myself. So it will take lots of time. Here, like we can manually add colors, animation, badges, buttons, etc. So it will definitely take more time. So we can ask Sidekick, customize our store with best color and change background image icon page. Also change banner text to improve our store booking. Then click on enter. Casually we can ask anything to the sidekick, so it will give you suggestions or it will automatically update it. So click on go to online store to edit. So it is redirect to the store. So here we can ask sidekick to change the background image page to more back to the customer and click on enter. Now it is processing. Image for our home page. Okay, here it gives the image. You can see. Okay, now here we can see it is processing. Okay, we can download it, and from here we can change. Okay, now here we can change. Select from library, then we can click on add files and click on open and it will uploading. Okay, now click on done. Here we can see it has been uploaded. Okay, now it look more attractive and look professional. So now we can ask to change the banner text. Attraction. Click on enter. Now let's see it will change or not. So here we can see it's changed the heading, button, etc. So that's it. So honestly, both are useful, but the normal Shopify setup process works fine, but beginners still need to figure out what to do in each section. But Sidekick feel more interactive because it explains things, gives suggestions, and help beginner understand what to do next. It will give automatically or it will suggest. So basically, using Sidekick, it is more easier than normal setup. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.